I make my bed every morning. I make my bed every morning.
I send an email to my boss. I send an email to my boss.
I buy fresh fruits today. I buy fresh fruits today.
I run in the park every morning. I run in the park every morning.
People struggle to come up with fresh ideas for their English learning videos. They spend hours thinking of titles, writing scripts, and creating lesson prompts. But what if you could generate everything automatically in just a few minutes? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a powerful prompt that creates catchy video titles, lesson content, and ready-to-use text-to-video prompt. Complete English learning videos. If you want to create beginner-friendly English lessons faster and grow your channel consistently, this tutorial is for you. Now, the first thing you need is a script. Alright, so quickly go to Claude. You can go to your Play Store and download Claude, or your App Store, or you go to your browser and search for Claude. Alright, so I have pasted the prompts which I want to use to generate my video. Okay, so if you need the same prompt which I used to achieve this result, kindly comment prompt. I'll definitely send it to you. Alright, without wasting much of your time, so I have pasted what I really want it to generate for me, and it went ahead to break them down. Okay, so as you can see, these are the examples which it gave to me. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to move over to Flow AI. So Flow AI, you can use it to generate videos for free, and it gives you 150 credits on a daily basis, so you don't have any reason to complain that you cannot generate this for free. Now I've headed over to Flow AI. The next thing I'm to do now is to sign up with my Google account. If you have a Google account, kindly sign up with it, because those are the #1 requirements. So these are most of the things which I generated. Now you're going to click on the plus icon. Click on the plus icon, and as it brings you to this interface, so this is where you're going to paste your prompt. Alright, so kindly paste your prompt, the prompt which you generated, your dialogue and every other thing, kindly paste it. Alright, so I'm going to add a pizza 3D animation because that is the style I want. So if you want to use anime, if you want to use realistic, whatever style you want, just choose it. Okay, so I choose pizza 3D. Now I'm going to click here that says nano banana, and I'm going to extend it to video. Before it was displaying image, so make sure you use View 3.1 Lite, because it's only now. Make sure you choose View 3.1 Lite. The reason why I said this is because they charge you 10 credits, unlike others that charge 20, 50 credits and 100 credits. Alright, so that you can be able to enjoy this. Okay, alright, the next thing you need to do is to change your aspect ratio. Okay, you choose your preferred aspect ratio, whether it's 15, whether it's 16:9 or 9:16 or thereabout. Alright, so make sure you set it to video. It's very important, and the output should be 1x. Okay, now the video is done generating. Let's see the result. Now in order to download it, all you need to do is to tap hold it, and it will definitely download. Alright, it will definitely download. Let's see the result, how the outcome looks like.
I make my bed every morning. I make my bed every morning.
Wow, this is amazing. I love the outcome of the video. It is so beautiful. Now I have to head over to my notepad, and I'm going to copy my second the second scene. All right, so I'm going to copy the second scene. Remember, this is text to video. All right, so after testing the text to video, I'm going to test a reference image to video as well. So I have copied the prompt and pasted it. So now make sure you go to your video and check if it is at View 3.1 Lite. Okay, and check every settings if it is 100% okay. All right, so I remember I'm adding a pizza 3D animation, so remember to choose the style of your choice. Don't forget to use the preferred style of your choice. While this is generating, I have to go back to my notepad and copy the next scene. So I'll copy it. I'll head over to Google Flow, and I'm going to paste the prompt here.
I send an email to my boss. I send an email to my boss.
So came out beautiful. All right, you can recreate yours. It is very easy to create it. Okay. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is to set up everything, make sure that everything is positioned well. So I'm going to paste my prompts here, and I'm going to highlight the dialog and copy it. I'll highlight it again and delete it. Now we are going to work with reference image. Okay, now with Flow you can be able to work with both your text to video and your reference image. The very first two videos I generated, I used the text to video and it came out beautiful. It came out nice. So I'm going to generate the image. Remember, I went ahead to set up, okay, so I went ahead to set it up to nano banana before it was placed on video. So make sure you set it up there. So these are the images it generated for me and it is beautiful. So what you have to do in order to download it is to click on it and you are going to see download option. Click on the three dots and download it. Now the image has been successfully downloaded. Right, now this is the second image which I generated. Remember to use S2 to generate two images so that you'll be able to choose your preferred one. This is the second image which was generated. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is to select that very image which you downloaded, and you are going to select video and generate your video. It is very easy, just the same procedure, but this one is not text to video, this one is image. You upload your image and you add your dialogue and your scene description. That results it and hit generate. Now the video is generating. All right, so let's see the results. Now before seeing the results, what you have to do is to tap hold the video which you generated and download it. Tap hold it and download it.
I buy fresh fruits today. I buy fresh fruits today.
All right, so I went ahead to copy my next scene and dialogue. Okay, I've copied it. I'll head over to Flow and I wrote a pizza 3D animation style. That is the style I actually wanted. So if you have any style of your choice, kindly do so. So I'm going to copy the dialogue. I'm going to copy it and I will delete it. So remember, this is image. You're generating image. The first was text to video. This one is image to video. Okay, so I'm going to remove this from video to image. Don't forget that. Okay, and change the aspect ratio is the same. Just change the image to video once you want to generate your image. Don't forget about it. All right, so let's wait the result. The result, as you can see, this is the outcome of the image I generated. All right, so what I'm going to do is to download it. This is where you download it in 2K. Okay, that's one thing I love about Flow. You can download your images with 2K. Now what I'm going to do is to upload it. Just calm down. You're going to see all the images. Just choose your preferred one and upload it. Okay, once you upload it, it's going to be displayed down. All right, just like I told you, it's now displayed down there. Okay, so what you're going to do now is to paste your dialogue, the actions and the dialogue, and make sure you change it from image to video. Okay, make sure you change it from image. Check your settings, change it from image to video. Now
I run in the park every morning. I run in the park every morning.
I went ahead to generate another video. Okay, so I'm going to play the result. This is very easy. This is beginners friendly.
I would like a plate of rice.
Now I went to YouTube and I searched for most of these English teaching videos niches, and I discovered that they are really doing well. So you can invest your time, go to YouTube and check out what they are doing and re-strategize, okay, and make your money. This is another channel. If you check the channels, you see that they are really going viral. So now one thing I love about this niche is that it's not overcrowded. It's not like African folk tales that everybody is diving into. If you're a teacher, you can utilize. If you're a teacher, I would advise you to utilize this opportunity very well and start creating your content. All right, start creating your content. Now remember that You don't start today and start earning today. You have to take your time and achieve your results. Those big channels you are seeing that are achieving their result, they did not start today and started earning today. It takes time, it takes their resources, it takes every single thing. So you have to re-strategize. You have to take your time and earn your results. If this tutorial was helpful, if this tutorial was really helpful, please make sure to like this video, share this video, drop a positive comment, and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any tutorial. All right, so see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.